This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice like restaurant, only way. Use day-old rice and a smoking hot wok, and add oil, garlic, and scallions quickly. Keep proteins and veggies bite-sized and dry so they sear rather than steam. Season with soy, a splash of oyster sauce, and white pepper to taste. Finish with cold egg ribbons and a drizzle of sesame oil for authentic restaurant flavor. Start with a blazing hot pan and minimal oil so ingredients sizzle on contact and brown instead of steaming. Push rice to the side, give proteins a quick sear, then reincorporate rice for even coating. Use a firm spatula to press and toss, creating slight toasty bits for texture. Taste and adjust seasoning in stages so you hit balanced saltiness and aroma every step of the way. If this is helping, please like and subscribe for more recipes and tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy and survive kitchen shifts like a champ. I use them when standing long hours making fried rice. They're worth it. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by seasoning gradually. Soy sauce for salt, oyster sauce for umami, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance. Toss in aromatics like garlic and ginger early, then add scallions at the end for freshness. Fold beaten cold egg through rice off heat to create delicate ribbons without overcooking. Always taste before plating and adjust with a few drops of sesame oil to lift the final dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.